Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about Audacity. How Audacity works. This is one of the top, you know, uh, application for editing your voice. If you wanna make your voice for motivational video, how you can put the echoes and reverb. There are so many, tricks how you can edit your voice in Audacity. So let's start the video. Firstly, if you open your Audacity application, this will look like this. You can download it by Google Chrome or by using anywhere. Just put it in Google Audacity, and you will be able to download it very simply. After that, you will have to install it. Then I have already installed and I have opened it. After that, if you wanna record your voice, just these are the things I'll be telling you everything for beginners. Just this is the thing. If you put it okay, and your voice will be a start recording. So let me start something. Hello guys, how are you and where are you from? I hope you like this video. I hope you liked it. So this is the voice I recorded, right? Then
Okay, and your voice will be a start record. Okay,
how it got recorded and how you can make it better and better. I'll be telling you. Just listen first.
okay, and your voice will be a start recording. So let me start something. Hello guys, how are you? And
There is firstly you will have to remove the noise. So you can select it by using this arrow. By mouse so you can because I think it is showing some kind of noise here, so you can just select it wherever it is showing noise. Otherwise let me show you if there are any noise. Just check out, these are noise also, so you can select it wherever you are able to see that in your voice something noise is coming. So you can just select it and go to the effect and go to the noise removal and repair. Just click on that and you will have to click noise reduction and get noise profile. From here the noise got removed. Then you will have to click the whole audio by clicking control plus A. Control if you select, the whole video will be selected, and after that you will have to go to the effect again, noise removal and repair, then noise reduction. If you apply noise reduction, from the videos noise get removed. So let me just play for you again.
okay, and your voice will be a start recording. So let me.
The noise got removed from the video. Now I will pitch high, the pitch from this audio. So select by the whole audio by clicking control plus A, and then go to the effect, go to the volume and compression, and go to the amplify, right? And it would be, if you click on that factory reset default, it will be selected like that. Just check out how it works.
Okay, and your voice will be a start recording. So let.
How it is working, I guess it is working fine, so you need to apply it. See, the voice got increased, the volume got increased, so it is very good. Then again you will have to apply. Firstly you will have to select the whole audio, go to the effect, and go to the uh, EQ and filters, and go to the graphic EQ, and you can select it. These are the tones was. If you want to increase your bass of the audio, you can just put it high. If you want to decrease and if you want to be minimal, you can just do it by factory reset and default setting. It would be like that. Let me see how it
Okay,
is.
and your voice will be a start recording. So let
Voice is very some high. So let me some high and pitch. I want to increase my pitch. So increase the pitch from here. Let's see how it works now. Let me play.
okay, and your voice will be a start recording. So let
I guess this is fine. So you will have to apply it. See the volume and the graphic EQ that increased
okay,
definitely.
and your voice will be a start recording. So let me start something. Hello guys.
Hi, it is looking like if you wanna put some reverb and all, echo or something, you can put it by go to the effect, go to the delay and reverb, and go to the reverb, and let me see the preview.
Okay, and your voice will be a start recording. So let
For motivational video, if you are making motivational video, so this kind of preview reverb is using. So I'm not making YouTube videos, motivational videos. So for motivational videos, this is very important, a delay and reverb. And just let me put you delay and let's see how it works.
okay, and your voice will be a start recording. So let
So this kind of delay and echo is coming up when you are applying this option. So I will not apply. So this was all about the sum of the functions, and now how you can import this audio. So go to the file, just put it import. You can import anything like mp3, wav is very favorable. So you can just put it wav, and you can down save it anywhere you want, right? Just save it. It will be saved. I hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. If you want to support us, please subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.